live with my disgrace. I'm afraid to show my face, or at least take off my underwear. You see, I was born like a halfway neutered pet. I don't have a matching set. It's a part of me that just ain't there. Please don't stare. Well, I'm a gambling man without two dice. I'm like Uncle Ben with only one grain of rice. Oh, to have two testes would be so nice, but I'm half a man. Yeah, I'm half a man. Wanna die, end it all, just call it quits. I can't find a cup that fits. And in baseball games I feel so dumb when I hear ball one. Oh my God, how could you have been so cruel to give me one family jewel? And the one that's there must feel so sad. He's a lonely man. Well, I'm a marathon runner with just one leg. I'm a fallopian tube with just one